Funny Guilty Dogs compilation videos. Watch until the end for the funniest and cutest video ever. He was set up. That was a setup.
Who wants a loaded pizza? Who wants to get ice cream? Who ate the last donut? What did you do, Gus? What did you do?
If I don't see it, it never happened.
Such a naughty boy.
This is the look away denial.
Don't look up there. I'm talking to y'all.
Who did this mess?
And this is the look away and blame.
Who did this?
Always talk to your buddy first. Click like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for more guilty doggy videos.
One last time. Who stole the cookie off the counter?
Because they will throw you under the bus. She doesn't look like she's guilty, does she?
Did you do that? Are you guilty? Because you're looking real guilty.
It would have been convincing if the socks weren't sticking out of his mouth.
Your eyebrows are going? Can I have it?
Alright, well, apparently while I was out, somebody got into the kitty cat treats. Denver, did you do this?
You don't even have to ask, do you?
Denver, was this you? Denver, you won't look at me. Did you? What? Denver, did you do this?
Girls.
Doesn't mean you live with them, they won't tell on you.
Sunny? You pooped in the kitchen?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this? Who did this?
Cooper?
Nuh-uh-uh. I don't see it, so it wasn't me.
Cooper?
Ness, was it you? It was you!
Yep, it was me. Now clean this up.
Were you on the couch? Oh, Emerson, you were on the couch, weren't you? Oh, you're so bad. What were you?
Why are you even asking? You ain't even mad. What a bunch of guilty hot dogs. Why don't you come here and make me? Click like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for more guilty doggy videos.
Finley, tell me the truth. Finley, did you chew up the box? Did you chew on the box?
So I guess Finley's never heard of those techniques?
You chewed the box?
Joe, are you a bad dog? You're supposed to go pee outside. What happened?
Don't know what you're talking about, I'm just lying here.
Mojo, did you do that? Did you do that?
Oh.
What have you done? What's this? What's that? Bunny? What's this? What have you
So the happy welcome doesn't cut it?
done?
What have you done, Bonnie?
Bunny.
What did you do?
The squirrels did it.
Why
Please
would you do
believe
that?
me.
This is not okay. Cash, look at this. Oh my goodness.
Box. Come on. Come here.
This guilty hot dog doesn't know any technique.
You are in trouble. Come on. You want to tell me what this is about? Why did you do that? Why did you eat the bed? Oh, puppy. Why did you do that? Why?
What did you do over here? What did you do? Did you do that? Huh?
Somebody said there was a buried treasure there.
Did you do that?
I'm gonna lie down now.
We weren't sure who did it, but then you get this.
Click like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for more funny videos like this. I've never seen that slipper before. I'm walking away now.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
I'll never do it again. I promise.
Bad. Don't chew on daddy's stuff.
Kylan, come here.
The slow, guilty walk doesn't help.
Kylan.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
I've never seen that thing before.
Riley?
Besides, I'm not even
Who
looking
did
at you.
that? Was it you, Riley? Did you chew the headset?
So I come home today and they're usually excited to see me. Excuse me, you're on video right now. Hey.
Now this is the look away and cuddle. Works every time.
And then when I mentioned what he did today, he knows. Hey Tonga, did you chew my rug? Did you chew on my rug today? Is that a yes? Because the rug was over there, and I saw you chewing on the rug.
Now this retriever's got some serious I don't see you technique.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
Did you make a mess, Marshall? Marshall, did you make a mess? What's all this?
He needs more practice with the look away
You're
technique.
gonna pretend you don't see it now?
What is this? Libby.
Oh, come on, I'm all yours.
What is this? Come here. Which one?
See, they know.
Who did this?
Who did this? Bliss. Who did this? Who did this? Bliss. 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 Bliss.
Didn't even put up a fight.
Honey, have you been a good girl or a bad girl? Have you been a good girl or have you been a bad girl? Which one? Honey, you gotta answer. You've been
Nah. Sure pets would have gotten away with picking good.
bad.